everyone, if you're a teacher and you find yourself doing way more tech support this year with Chromebooks, either in person or in my case in a distance with families and my students, this video is for you. I just found out about the Chromebook simulator from our site tech recently, and I wish I would have known this months ago. Let me show you how it works. So you can see it is a long URL. I'll put a link in the description down below, but you have all of these drop down menus, and one of the things that I spend a lot of time walking through with my students is turning on the accessibility features. Here you can share your screen and it will walk you through. So you could send the parents a link or share your screen and it will absolutely walk you through, and you can make it bigger, you can print it. So you have all of these nice screenshots already done that are visible to share with your families. You have Explore Your Chromebook, keyboard shortcuts. Look at this. You want students to take a screenshot part of your screen, caps lock. You've got so many different things. Using a touchpad. So for your younger students, here it's going to walk them through how to drag and drop, how to change your language on a Chromebook. And you have these nice screenshots that will just walk you through each step. And remember, you can make it larger. You even have some problem solving. So how to update your Chromebook. So super easy site, either to share in your virtual meetings or send links to students or families to help them use their Chromebook more efficiently and effectively during distance education. So if you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for future videos. Until next time, bye everyone.